Good morning to those listening. It's March 24th, 2023, 3 a.m. And I just noticed today, or this morning, right now, and yesterday, there's this bird. Can you hear the bird? I don't know where it's at exactly. In that tree, probably. But I'm not used to hearing birds at 3 in the morning. I don't know if it's... I don't know. I just thought it was kind of strange, so maybe it's a sign or something. I don't know. Boo, it's cold. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you hear birds this early in the morning. It should be, 5, 6 in the morning usually, you'd think. It's a different bird. Plus we got something going on over there. Ambulance went by. Alright, thanks for watching. God bless.